Kick off the new year the right way with our Creamy Chicken Burritos using Pureety Fajita Recipe Seasoning. Perfect for meal prep when you're on your 2-week fad diets after Christmas. Get some diced chicken in a bowl with a drizzle of oil and add your Pureety Fajita seasoning and mix well. Fry up your chicken and then add in some red onions, kidney beans and red peppers. Add in some cottage cheese or sour cream. We opted for cottage cheese. Toss in 100 grams of cheddar and let it slowly melt. Finally, add in some chopped coriander. Fill up your wrap, roll it like a pro, seal it in the pan, and in no time, you've prepped 6 days of tasty meals. These should last for 3 days and you can pop the rest in the freezer. And there you have it, creamy chicken burritos to enjoy all week long. Perfect.